Hey, it's your girl Krissy from Events by Krissy, and today we're making a lovely balloon garland for 3 birthday girls. We are starting off by stuffing balloons the night before. So we're double stuffing 5-inch balloons the night before, and we are just setting them up in our quads together. And then we're on our way the next morning. Simple and easy as that. We've now arrived at the venue and a really quick venue tour. We are going to put up our backdrop. It is a circular backdrop, and this one is 6.5 feet high, 6.5 feet wide. Very simple to put up. 5 pieces total. It is made from metal, and the pieces just slide right into place. This little piece right here is giving me a hard time, but as you can see, we finally do get it in. So the balloons in the bag are just the balloons that we did the night before. They are 5-inch balloons in mocha, caramel, and gold. We also ended up doing a few of the gold 12-inch balloons, just a little bit smaller, as those ones we are going to have at the very beginning or the very end of the garland. Still have not decided, but in the meantime, we are going to blow up our balloons, our 12-inch balloons, and we are doing 3 quads, so 3 groups of 4 for each bundle, and we are doing approximately 3 bundles of each color. So we are doing 12, 12, 12, 12 caramel, 12 mocha, 12 chocolate, 12 gold, and then 12 of the sand, and then we are going to repeat. Quite simple. We also do have some 24-inch balloons within the same color that we will blow up at various sizes and stuff them into our arrangements, as it's going to give us a bit more dimension. So it took roughly 1 hour to blow up these balloons, tie them in quads, and then arrange them. And these are just the 12-inch balloons that we're organically blowing up, so they are not all the same size. You will notice that there are a few that are a little bigger and a little smaller. I do have a half apron on. I wear the half apron because I can hold elastic bands, 260 balloons, clips, and other little things in there, and that frees up my hands just to deal with the balloons, and I don't have anything else. To attach the garland to the backdrop, we are using a 260 and a clip and just tying them on to the balloon and the pole, and that will hold them in place. And we're going to do that both at the top and the bottom of the balloon, and it holds it quite secure, so it's not going to move at all. And you can see we've got 2 of the lighter color. It looks a little bit more blush in picture, but in person you can see that it is an off-white. 2 bundles of the gold, 2 bundles of the mocha, and 2 bundles of the chocolate brown. Here you can see we are just adding elastic bands and 260 balloons to the 5-inch balloons, and we're just going to place them in any holes that we see that need to be filled up, and continue to arrange them until we get the desired look that we are looking for. This is an 18-inch balloon that we are putting just towards the bottom to fill in another gap, and you can put in as many or as little as you'd like. The more balloons that you're going to fill in there, obviously the more dimension that the balloon garland is going to have. In this process, I think we did end up losing about 3 or 4 balloons. It happens sometimes. Nothing that we can do about them popping. Just don't overstuff the balloons with air. But it's a very easy fix. Right now, we are just about finished. The last thing left to do with this birthday garland is add the happy birthday signage. It is an LED or neon sign that we plug in. We've got an extension cord that we run around the back and hook it up. The outlet is on the floor, which is awesome. We did look for the outlet before putting the balloon garland up, so we knew exactly where would be good. And here it's really all about positioning. trying to find the best place to put up the happy birthday where it doesn't block the balloons and still looks quite lovely and not centered, but just offside. We're going to put the happy birthday not side by side, but one under the other and off to the side just a little bit, as you can see here. We're just looking for the right positioning. We're using the metal clips that come with it to hang it. Alternatively, if you don't want to see them, what you can use is fishing wire. You'll see it in pictures or from really up close when you're using the fishing wire, but from a distance, it will look like it is just hanging and nothing is holding it up. It is floating, sorry, not hanging. But that's what it will look like. We are just using the metal clips that are in the packaging, which works out fine. And you can see this is the just about finished look. I know you're like, oh, I can't see the birthday. Don't worry. We'll center the camera in a bit and you'll be able to see it just fine. And there you have it, our happy birthday sign with our balloon garland. We absolutely love it. We think that it's gorgeous. Our clients loved it as well. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification. Bye-bye.